Hello friends, now I am going to show Imo app's hidden setting, which this need to be hiding from everyone. What are these things you want to know? You must watch this video till to end. Let's start. First of all, go to Imo. After opening, then you can see three lines. Then click three lines. Then click setting. Then moving to downward, find out privacy, then click privacy. Then you can see real-time chat. This is when you chatting someone, send a message, he can see message before sending. What are the things you write? If you uncheck this, he can never seen before send. Another option, read receipt. It means that when someone SMS send you, that time automatically seen, show. You will see somebody SMS, but he will not understand that you have seen his SMS. Then same way you can go to privacy, then you will make nobody. One more hidden setting, avatar means profile pic. Unknown person see your profile pic without knowing you. If you make nobody, anyone do not see your profile pic, you can set my contact, only see your profile pic, your save contact people. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.